Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a PR package that I got from KAIROSE. I have been using this brand a lot lately because they've been sending me a lot of stuff, and all the things I receive, all of the things I use, I really like it. I love her quality, I love the products, like I just love everything. So I was really excited to get this and unbox it. I'm just going to go through everything quickly. This is going to be a different type of video because it's only going to be an unboxing, and I'll let you know why I did it this way in a few minutes. But the first thing we have are some nail art brushes, and I really love when I receive nail art brushes because I want to say I think I'm taking good care of my brushes, but after a while I just end up needing more. So I love that a lot of them came in this PR package. We also got some gel polishes. We have some cuticle oil, and this is a peach scent. It smelled really good. Of course, every time I get some I have to do a sniff test, and this one was really nice. I loved it. We also have some brush on nail glue. You can never have enough nail glue because I feel like I run out so fast, especially when I use them for my tips. The next item we have is some 𝚙𝚗𝚎 non-yellowing monomer. And I love how everything, like her aesthetic, is just pink because you guys know I love my pink. I was really pleased with her packaging. The next item we got is a clear square damping dish. And I do have some like this already, but it was just so refreshing to get a new one. And opening it, it was just like, I hate to even use it because I don't want to mess it up, but I just love how this looks. It looks so stunning, like so clean. And yeah, I like these a lot. And they are spill proof, by the way. Like the top, if you knock it over, I believe like some type of way it suctions, so like the top like stays on a few seconds, you know, to give you enough time to like pick it up or whatever the case may be. I do think these are spill proof, so that's great. The next item I'm going to show you are her full cover gel tips. These are the stiletto, and I was really liking these because I love almond nails. Like stilettos are great too, but I really love wearing like off camera when I'm not recording. I really love wearing almond nails, some classic Frenches. So I really like these. I like the fact that I'm able to turn those stilettos into almond. I feel like they're the perfect length and perfect shape. She sent me another set of these gel full cover tips, and these are coffin. Personally, I don't really like coffin tips because I feel like they taper into square for my hand shape. I mean, like these look great, but just personal preferences. I don't like how coffin looks on me, so I probably won't be using those anytime soon. However, if you guys do want a video on them, I will surely give you guys what you want, so definitely leave that down below in the comments. The next few items we have are some acrylics, and I think this was my favorite part of everything because she included her new collection in here. I forgot the name of it right now. I don't have the paper next to me, but I will put it up on the screen. And it is those 6 or 7 glitters like I show at the end. They are so stunning, and I will be swatching them, so stay tuned for it if you guys want to see it. And this is just a recap of everything she sent me. I do have a discount code that you guys can use on her website, so make sure to check that out down below. It's also on the screen. I would definitely recommend this brand. I feel like it's super beginner friendly, and she has a lot of cute things on her website, so definitely give them a try. So for the rest of this video, I'm just gonna go a little bit deeper into all of the things she sent me. So I'm just kind of recapping, like I showed the cuticle oil and the glue. I also showed the damping dish again, just really quick. Now I'm diving a little bit deeper into these nail art brushes. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the tops and show you what the actual brushes look like, because she do have like different sizes. As you can see here, she has a 9, 12, 15, 18, and 25 millimeter size brushes. I love these. They look super clean. I really like the font too for her brand name. I think that's super cute and it fits really well. As far as showing you guys the bristles or like the brush, I should have took off the plastic caps as well so you guys can really see it, but I'm pretty sure you guys got a glimpse at the different length sizes and stuff. So yeah, that's very useful, and I cannot wait to try them out. The next thing I'm going to do is get into these gel polishes. I'm just going to show them what they look like inside the bottle. I didn't do any swatches just yet. I was gonna save the swatches for a reel on Instagram. If I do record the reel, I'll pop it into the video, but if not, then just know I haven't done it in the time of posting this video. But eventually I will go ahead and do that, so if you want to check that out, make sure to follow me on Instagram. My name is at the bottom. Yeah, I'm just gonna go through all of these. I like the brightness of these. I love the opacity. I haven't even used these yet, but I'm pretty sure once I use them, it's going to be a one coat coverage, and you can really tell because of the thickness on the brush when I pull it out. I think these colors are so stunning. I cannot wait to use them. I'm not sure what the name of this collection of gels are either, but of course I have them linked down below with the name on the screen so you know exactly which collection to look for. But getting into the reason I'm only going to be doing the unboxing, I know it's kind of weird, or I was kind of hesitant at first because I could have been posted this, but I was thinking on it a little bit more, but eventually I just decided to do it how I was thinking first. So the reason I'm only going to show the unboxing is because I couldn't decide whether I wanted to use the acrylic or the full cover gel tips. I wanted to use both of them, but that would be way too long, including the unboxing and swatches in both nail sets. I just wanted to get some feedback first on which one you guys think I should use or which one you want to see more. And my thought process behind it was like, I just really want to do something quick, but I also feel like you guys would like the acrylics a lot more because you know you can do a lot more with the acrylics and they're just so stunning. But still, I was still so torn between the two. I didn't know which one I wanted to do, so I'm just going to give you guys the unboxing and let you guys decide in the comments, and my next video will be what you guys want to see. So comment down below if you want to see me use the full cover gel tips first or the acrylics. Also, with the acrylics, I didn't know what design I wanted to do. I feel like every time I get acrylics like this, like especially the glitter collection, I'm always thinking of like a fairy type of theme, but I just didn't know how to plan the nail set out. So I just wanted to do a little bit more brainstorming on like, you know, what to do, because I didn't want to keep trying to do the same thing over and over again. But as far as like using the acrylics, of course I'll use some nail tips, and I may end up using some of the gel polishes on top if that color is needed. But ultimately I was thinking if I end up using the full cover gel tips, I'll probably use the gel polishes just to have something from her brand to do nail art with. So that was basically my thought process behind it. I'm just really indecisive basically. So yeah, just if you could help me out and just leave it down below in the comments which one you would like to see, I would definitely get that video done for you guys. And if you have some suggestions on like what nail set to do, a nail theme, you can leave that down below as well, because as of now I still haven't thought of anything to do. So hopefully by the time this video goes up, I'll see you guys' comments and thoughts and ideas, and I can come up with something then. But jumping back to these acrylics, these here are just like more of like core colors, like nudes, bases. I love all of these shades so much. That white one had like some shimmers in it, some glitters. I love acrylics like that. I think they're so cute. But now getting into these last few, as you can see here, this one has some glitter in it, and this purple starts the beginning of that new glitter collection. Again, I forgot the name, but I'll have it down below and on the screen. I just think these are so cute, and this is what I meant when I thought about like a fairy type of thing. And these are the acrylics I was talking about when I thought about like the fairy type of thing. I just feel like they always give me that vibe, but I didn't want to keep doing the same thing over and over again. So if you guys have some suggestions, definitely let me know. I would highly appreciate it. But I really love this collection. I love the shades of them. I love the amount of glitter in it. They are easy to work with. Sometimes glitter acrylics are hard to work with, but with her monomer and the ratio of glitter to acrylic, I think they are perfect. And with them being the way they are very beginner friendly. They're not hard to use at all. They're not like watery, or they're not like super thick. They don't dry fast either, so you do have enough time to work with them. But also it just depends on how much monomer you have on your brush as well, so I guess that's just personal preferences, or however you like to work with the acrylics. But that's pretty much all I was gonna get into today. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching these as much as I love recording the swatches. When it comes to content, one thing I'll do all day is swatch acrylics. I love them so much. Oh, and by the way, the heart swatches I'm swatching these on are called heartches, and these are from Crafts by Nine. I'll link them down below if they are still available on her website. I'm not sure if my code still works, but I'll leave it down below or check for you guys and see if it is. And if it does, of course, it will be linked below. But yeah, like I was saying, that's pretty much all I was going to get into today. I don't really have anything else to talk about besides how great these products look. I'm just going to finish off swatching the last two acrylics, and I will be back to show you guys what the entire collection looks like. And also, I did just want to say, I recently looked at my subscribers, and I am so close to 100,000 subscribers. So thank you for everyone who clicked the subscribe button over these years of me creating content. I cannot tell you guys how much it means to me. Like, just starting off with like 10-15 subscribers, I had no idea I would grow this fast. Even though it took me some years, I still cannot believe it. So thank you to everyone who continues to watch my videos. It's definitely appreciated. And if you've made it this far in this video, thank you also for continuing to watch. So after swatching all of the acrylics, this is what they look like. And in this glitter collection, there are 6 acrylics total. Firstly, I'm going to show you up close the cover colors, like the regular cover colors. And this is also how they look flipped over. I know you guys probably wanted to see. Of course, I couldn't get past this part without flipping them over to let you guys see how they look from the top. And again, they look super stunning. I love how you also get the effect of like how it would look with the top coat, because it looks shiny. Yeah, I just love everything about this collection. I love these acrylics. I love this brand, and I can't wait to continue working with them. But definitely let me know which one you guys would like to see. If you would want me to use the acrylics first or the full cover gel tips, definitely let me know down below. Thank you to KAIROSE if you are watching this video for these amazing products. I do have a discount code if you guys want to purchase anything from her website, which will be on the screen and down below as always. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Let me know down below in the comments which one you would like to see first, how you enjoyed the unboxing, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.